If your Bose Wave radio remote suddenly stops working, start with the most common cause, the battery. Replace it with a fresh CR2032 or DL20323 volt lithium battery and make sure the positive side faces up. Incorrect polarity alone can stop the remote from functioning. If a new battery doesn't fix it, check the infrared signal path. The remote uses IR light, so it needs a direct, unobstructed line of sight to the radio's sensor. Move any objects out of the way, avoid strong sunlight, and wipe the radio's front display gently with a dry cloth. Bright LED lighting can sometimes interfere with IR signals as well. You can quickly test whether the remote is transmitting. Point it at your smartphone camera and press a button. If you see a flashing light on your phone screen, the remote is sending a signal. If it flashes but the radio still doesn't respond, try unplugging the radio for a few minutes to reset the system. If problems continue, inspect the battery contacts inside the remote for white or green corrosion. Clean them carefully with isopropyl alcohol and let them dry completely. When all buttons stop working at once, that usually indicates full remote failure, meaning replacement is the best option. You can order an original remote from Bose for guaranteed compatibility or use a Learning Universal remote as an alternative.